Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude app not opening on iPhone. If the Claude app won't open on your iPhone, try these fixes. So first, force close the app. So swipe up from the bottom of the screen. So swipe up, then swipe the Claude app away. Then reopen it. So reopen it and see if that works. Next is to restart your iPhone. So turn your iPhone off and wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Then try opening Claude again and see if that works. Next, update the Claude App Store or Play Store. Search for Claude. Then install any available update. So bug fixes are often included when you update the app. So once updated, open Claude again and see if that works. Next is to check your internet connection. So open settings, then go to Wi-Fi and double check if you're connected to a stable connection. You can also switch to another network. You can switch to data. You can also restart your router. Then once done, open Claude again and see if that works. Next, open settings. Once you're on settings, scroll down and go to general. Once you're here, scroll down and go to software update. So make sure your device is updated to the latest version. So once updated, open Claude and see if that works. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.